Good morning everyone. Welcome to our second Zulu lesson. Igama lami nguTisha Sina. Igama lami nguTisha Sina. Meaning my name is Tisha Sina. So today in our lesson we are going to practice to greet, or we are going to practice to say hello in isiZulu. And we are going to practice to say goodbye in isiZulu. So to say greeting in Zulu, we say ukubingelela. Ukubingelela. Or if you want someone to greet, you say bingelela. Bingelela, it means greet. And then to say goodbye in Zulu, we say ukuvalelisa. Ukuvalelisa. If you want to say it to someone, please say goodbye. You say valelisa. Valelisa, meaning goodbye. So today I have my special friend. My special friend is going to help me to show you how do we greet in Zulu. And my special friend's name is Nono. Hello Nono. Oops. Let me fix your hair, Nono. Let me fix your hair. Thank you, Tisha Sina. You're welcome, Nono. Nono. Hello, Tisha Sina. Can you please greet my learners at home? Sanibonani. No, Nono. You know what? Some of my learners can't speak Zulu yet. They're still learning Zulu. It's okay. Next time you can greet my learners in Zulu. But this time, can you please greet them in English? Okay, Tisha Sina, I'll do that. Okay, do you want to greet them again? Hello, everyone. I think I've heard them saying hello back to you. Okay, Nono, today you are going to be my helper. Okay, Tisha Sina, I don't mind to do that. Okay, so me and Lolo, we are going to greet one another. Okay, so you guys at home, please listen and then hear how we greet one another in Zulu. Okay, are you ready, Nono? Yebo, I'm ready. Okay, Nono, what does yebo mean? Because my learner still doesn't know how to speak Zulu. Yebo, it means yes. Yebo, it means yes. Okay, Lolo. Now we are going to greet. I am going to greet you first. Okay, Tisha Sina. Good. Sawubona, Nono. Yebo, sawubona, Tisha Sina. I didn't hear that. Let's try again, Nono. Sawubona, Nono. Sawubona, Tisha Sina. Unjani, Nono? Ngiyaphila, unjani wena? Nami ngiyaphila, Nono. Okay. Did you guys hear that? Well done. So now it is going to be your turn at home. I am going to greet you. So I am going to say to you, Sawubona, and then you will answer me and say, Yebo, Sawubona, Tisha Sina. Are you ready? Good, well done. And no, you can just watch and listen. Okay? Are you guys ready? Sawubona. Remember, you must say Yebo, Sawubona, Tisha Sina. It means hello, Tisha Sina. Okay, let's try again. Sawubona. Good job. Kuhle lokho. Well done. Okay, so now I am going to ask you, how are you? In Zulu we say unjani. Unjani. Unjani, it means how are you? And your answer is going to be Ngiyaphila. Unjani wena. Ngiyaphila, meaning I am fine. Unjani wena. How are you? I am fine. How are you? Okay, so let's try. I am going to say to you, Unjani, and you must say, Ngiyaphila. Unjani wena. Are you ready? Unjani. Good job. Ngiyaphila. Unjani wena. Well done. That was beautiful. Okay, so nami ngiyaphila, meaning I am also fine, or I am fine too. Nami ngiyaphila. It is quite nice to ask someone after they've asked you, how are you? And then you told them that you are fine. And it is also nice to ask them, how are you? Okay, so they can also tell you they are fine. Okay, I think that was beautiful. Great us. So now we are going to practice to say goodbye in Zulu. No. Are you awake? Oh yeah, Teacher Sina. I am awake. I was listening to you when you are teaching your learners at home. Okay, so no, now we are going to say goodbye, but it is going to be me and you first, so our learners can hear how we say goodbye. Are you ready, Nono? Yebo. Good job, Nono. So Nono, because you are the one who's gonna leave, so in Zulu, the person that leaves say to the person that stays, sala kahle, meaning stay well. And the person that stays says to the person that leaves, hamba kahle. Do you get it? So the person that stays says hamba kahle, and the person that's going says sala kahle. Okay, because sala it means stay, and then hamba it means go. So kahle it means sharp, well or good. Okay, so me and my friend Nono, we are going to practice, and then you guys, you can just listen and hear us how we are saying the words. Okay, Nono, are you ready to go? Yeah, but Teacher Sina, I want to go home. You know what? Thank you for coming. So now you are going. What do you say to Teacher Sina? Sala kahle, Teacher Sina. Hamba kahle? No. Oh, no, wait. Before you go, you need to say goodbye to my learners at home also. Okay, can you say sala kahle to them because you are going? Okay, Teacher Sina. Sala kahle. You guys, you are going to say to Nono, hamba kahle, meaning go well. Okay, do you want to practice? Say hamba kahle, meaning go well. I want to hear you. Did you hear them? Yes, I think I've heard them. Good job, great artists. Okay, no, do you want to say sala kahle to them again? Say goodbye to them. Nicely. Sala kahle. Well done. Okay, hamba kahle, no, go sleep. Okay, Teacher Sina, sala kahle, hamba kahle, sala kahle, hamba kahle, sala kahle, hamba kahle, sala kahle. Well done. Okay, so that's how we greet in Zulu, and that's how we say goodbye in Zulu. So before I say goodbye to you, I am going to teach you guys a song, a greeting song. The song goes like this. Sawubona, unjani? Sawubona, uyaphila Uyaphila na, sawubona, sawubona. Unjani, sawubona, sawubona. Uyaphila na. So that's the song that we are going to practice and sing before we start our lesson every time when I come to your class, okay? So today we are done. I just want to see if you still remember what do you say if someone says to you in Zulu, hello. Let's see if you still remember. Sawubona. Yes, you need to say yebo, sawubona. Teacher Sina, if it is me, but if it's your mom, you can say sawubona, mom, or sawubona, dad. You can just say mom and dad now because you haven't learned Zulu words, okay? Unjani. Unjani, it means how are you? Remember you say ngiyaphila, unjani wena, meaning I am fine, how are you? Do you want to try? Ngiyaphila, unjani wena. Good job. Nami ngiyaphila. I am fine too. Well done. So now let's see if you still know how to say goodbye. So to say goodbye in Zulu, if someone is staying, we say sala kahle. And the person that's staying is going to say to the person that's leaving, hamba kahle. Okay, because I am leaving and then you guys are staying. I am saying to you, sala kahle. What do you say? Hamba kahle, Teacher Sina. Well done. I'll see you guys next time.